3 is here, and we're stripping it all back. You guys said watching the wrap come off was weirdly satisfying, so this one is for the fans. We are clearing the canvas on the Silverado to make way for that elite satin black finish. Look at that peel. Alfred is on the floor using his go-to steaming method. This isn't just about pulling plastic, it's about heat control. By using precision steam, we're lifting the old graphics while leaving minimal adhesive behind. It's the professional way to handle a full teardown and save hours on the decontamination phase. Every panel cleared is another step closer to sale day. This truck is being prepped to be the cleanest used workhorse in South Florida. If you know someone looking for a reliable, updated rig that looks as good as it runs, tell them to hit us up at V-Twin Skins immediately. We want to get you in on the action too. Drop the word credit in the comments right now. We'll send you our 2026 Style and Protection Guide plus a $250 credit toward your next installation. That's real money back in your pocket for choosing the best in the business. Go to vtwinskins.com to see our full line of premium color PPF and make sure you're subscribed to Alfred Wraps on YouTube. The stealth transformation is about to get intense. Stay locked in.